Going here, Phoenix Typewriter. Got a Royal KMM here, and we've got a broken link. The letter M or letter A. So I have the lid off and I have the front panel off. You have to take this whole piece off and these covers to get to the holes that we need to get the fulcrum rod out of here to change the link the proper way. There's you can see in here here's the Q right there, but next one over right there is missing the link. That's the letter A right there. It's broken. That link looks like this. They're all the same size. Those ones that are in the back here. The one that's down here is a different size. That's this one here. And these are all individually sized. I actually thought it was that one, so I salvaged a part out of there. Turns out it was the front link, which is going to be a little easier, a little less to take off. So these have these little screw caps here that come off on both sides here to allow the fulcrum rod to come out. And we don't have to move that fulcrum rod too far because it's just the letter A. Just only 2 second slot in. So now, fulcrum rod that's the screw hole, so it's this next hole. And all I'm going to use here is a coat hanger that I've got shaped about the shape of that curvature right there. And we're going to stick that in there and force that fulcrum rod to come out on this side over here. Even though this side's got the pointy side, we're going to push it through this way just a little bit. See if I can get this to move. Sometimes these are pretty tight. They get these little grooves on them if they're really used a lot, and it's not moving. And they won't move initially. They get really stubborn. This one is being stubborn. It's right there. So let me try something else here. I'm going to try tapping it through with a small screwdriver. I'm going to try tapping up to start it. Once I get it started, I think it'll go. Alright, I wasn't expecting to have too much trouble there, but I got something else to poke through here. There it goes. Alright, so it started coming out this side over here. Let's see if I can push it through. It still doesn't want to push through. But what it will do is pull out. So all we're going to do over here is just pull this out. Just pry it and pull it. It's going back, it's going in there, but I think we got it far enough. I think the Q is going to come out of here. Q is still in there, so let's pull it just a little further. There's the Q right there, so I'm just going to disconnect that and get it out of the way. Okay, I'll let that dangle down there, so see if the A's out. Okay, we still got to go a little further. Pull the A out. Right there. So, let's figure out which way the this little clip goes. You can look at the one next to it, and so it's going to go like that and like that. Let's see if we can get in here. Connect it up here real quick. Need a little bit of guidance here. There it goes. And then we're going to press the A. Like that. Put that back in there, and we'll just go ahead and push this, line it up, and get that fulcrum rod down in here a little bit. A is secure. Let's put the Q in there. Put the tight bar in. There we go. Oops. Oopsie doopsie. Just dropped the link. Let's do it the way we did the A. So this is going to go in like that. We'll connect the top first and come back here and get the Q into position. It's going to need a little persuasion. There we go, like that. Okay, same thing, pull the Q back, get lined up right. Like that. I'm going to tap the fulcrum the rest of the way in there. Make sure that Q's lined up right. Feels like it is. No, it's not. It's not in the spot. It's right about there. Goes all the way down. Let's check them out. Looks good. Alright, well that's how you do that. Slide the fulcrum out. Change that link out. Replace it. And that's it. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.